Hello all, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to create a lakehouse. In this video, we'll see how to upload files into a lakehouse and then convert it into a Delta table. So I'm back here on my landing page in Fabric. I'm going to my workspace, and then inside the workspace, we could see all the things which are created in this workspace here on the bottom panel. I'm going to this lakehouse, and inside the lakehouse, I'm here. First, I want to upload files from my computer. So get data, I want to upload a file. So I give the path here. Override if files already exist. No. Uncheck upload. Yeah, it takes some time. We got the file here, customers dataset. If you click on the file, you could see the file view or a table view. So if I go to the table view, I could see the table here. Now I want to convert this raw CSV file into a Delta table. To do that, click on these three dots and then load to tables, new table. We call it Delta customers. Use header for column names. Yes. What is the separator? Comma. This is a comma separated CSV file, and load. If you look here inside the tables, we got a Delta customers table and a small triangle is there. That is an indication that it is a Delta table. Okay, so I click here on this Delta table. I got this table view of the Delta. Now click on these three dots, properties, and you could see the format is Delta and type is managed. It's a managed table. What is managed table? A managed table is a table where Fabric fully controls the data and the metadata. Now if you drop a managed table, both the metadata and the data files are deleted. But in case of external tables, only the metadata is managed by Fabric and the actual data files are specified by us and managed or controlled by us. That is the basic difference between a managed and an external table. By default, if you don't specify any external location while converting into a Delta table, it is stored as a managed table. Now coming back here, apart from the managed table, we have the URL, the relative path, and the absolute path. So this is how we upload a file into the Lakehouse from our local system and convert it into a Delta table. In the context of Lakehouse, I want to throw light into one more important aspect, which are the SQL Analytics Endpoint and Semantic Model. What are these? If you go to the workspace and look at all the items which are created, we could see this Lakehouse, source Lakehouse, that's fine. You could see the type is Lakehouse. Now inside the Lakehouse, if you look closely, we got a semantic model and SQL Analytics Endpoint. We did not create these, so where did these come from? Whenever you create a Lakehouse, these two things will automatically be created for that Lakehouse. Now if you have used Power BI before, you would know the concept of semantic model. It's just a data model where we connect all the different tables and create a Power BI report from it, right? Now, in the context of Fabric, whenever we create a Lakehouse, Fabric auto-generates a semantic model to make our life easy in creating Power BI reports. This semantic model points to the data in the Delta tables by default. So all the tables in the tables folder, which are Delta tables, are reflected in this semantic model by default, and we can use this to create Power BI reports. What is SQL Analytics Endpoint? This is again a flexibility given by Fabric. For all the Delta tables inside our Fabric Lakehouse, we could query the data using SQL. That is the purpose of SQL Analytics Endpoint. Okay, so that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll dig deeper into Fabric. Thank you for watching.